Defensive rotations.
We just worked at it.
Did you talk to Rudy about being more aggressive tonight?
Everybody in the NBA tries to be aggressive. You don't need to talk to anybody about it.
Coach, Jokic obviously had a tremendous night, but
Yeah, he was great.
was part of the plan to, stay a bit on the shooters and, kind of live and die with that kind of production?
Well, I mean, the plan is a plan, but sometimes things work, sometimes they don't, but I'm probably not going to discuss the plan with you, with all due respect. I'm not sure why I should do that. It's not like it's secret or nobody's seen things before, but, things worked out for us tonight.
Coach, what did you see from your team in the first few minutes of this game, or even the first quarter, to let you know that they were ready to play tonight?
I don't know how to answer that question. Why would they not be ready to play? This is the playoffs. Nobody's going to come out flat.
Is there anything specifically that you were looking for that you saw tonight that you didn't see in Game 6, physicality-wise, aggressive-wise?
We had a lot of people participate tonight. A lot of people came and had good games. And I think the Nuggets have had that pretty regularly, and we had that tonight, so that was great to see.
Do you believe in momentum, playoff series?
Sure.
How do you try to capture that? How do you hang on to that from game to game?
That's an intangible. There's no drill or rule for that. Play well and you keep the momentum.
How did you think DeMar did tonight, sort of easing his way into the game? It looked like he was looking for other people first and then sort of took over his offense in the third quarter.
DeMar had a fine game tonight.
More questions?
Do you have to say anything to this team in Game 7?
I'll,
You know what it is.
I'll probably speak with them. It's my team. Thank you. It was great.